Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. What can you do if you hear yourself saying to yourself, I am so unlovable? What makes me so unlovable? What's wrong with me? You can change that question to, what happened to me? And then maybe there'll be some things that arise in your awareness, like, oh yeah, it was growing up with parents who said, you're worthless. I'm sorry I had you. What is it now? So that you just feel worthless and unlovable. Or if you find yourself thinking that, how come I'm so unlovable? You can just do TAT about everything that led up to me feeling like I'm so unlovable. And if it fits, I have no value. I'm worthless. I don't deserve love. Any mishmash of those ideas and those kind of negative, heavy feelings like I'm not really connected with people. I can't connect with people. I'm not lovable. All of that. You can just take all that stuff, put it in one big TAT pot, which just simply means the place you're putting all the stuff together you want to heal during that TAT session, and do TAT about it. Then when you're done, take a look within again. Notice if you have any thoughts that are still there, like, it's just really impossible to totally get over this. Or feelings like your chest and your heart feel kind of dense and heavy. Or emotionally, you just feel kind of depressed and lonely. Anything at all that's left, even a teeny tiny thing, just toss it into the pot, do TAT again, and keep doing that until it's all totally clear. That's possible. That's absolutely possible. You can do it. And then those thoughts, those feelings, the way your body is about it, is going to remain changed. Once something gets completed with TAT, it's a done deal. Yay! So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.